बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Desat Bhai Patel. Bapuji is explaining how to stop worrying. Anant Bhai is asking the questions. Param Shanti Bapuji. Welcome Bapuji. Bapuji, why did humans' nature became worried? They keeps thinking again and again. Frequently they are coming into tension. Worry doesn't get out of their mind. Their mind became like fire. Please explain us what is the reason behind this. Bapuji is explaining. Look, today humans' karmas are coming in front of them repeatedly. That's why, unwillingly, they are getting worried. All the souls who are there on this earth, everyone became tamopradhan, means negative in quality. At earlier times when soul was in state of rajo and sato, then it doesn't had any worry. At that time soul is ethereal. There are no recordings of sins in it. But now, soul became tamopradhan. Accumulated karmas of numerous births got recorded in the soul. Everything was recorded in its subconscious mind. Occasionally they are coming into memory, unwillingly. What happens when sins were overloaded in a soul? When a cup was filled with water, it overflows. Likewise, if sins were filled up in a soul, that sins will overflow from subconscious mind to your conscious mind. Subconscious mind was filled with sins. There is no space. That's why sins were overflowing into conscious mind. That's why unwillingly whole day it feels worried. It laughs in a minute and it cries in a minute, involuntarily. Even if he is not facing any trouble, he is becoming tensed. Today people are going to astrologers and they are saying that something is going to happen. On listening this, he becomes suspicious. Even if it is not going to happen, on continuous thinking it happens. So many people got stuck like this at tantrics. Anant Bhaiya is asking, which type of karma will create tension, Bapuji? Bapuji is saying, as I told you, a very sinful soul who is doing sins from numerous births. Anant Bhaiya is saying, as you told in the video how earth was formed, in that earth was formed before 12,400 billion years. And humans came into existence. And from infinite time, 4 yugas had passed away. All these years humans are doing karmas on earth and had recordings of their karmas. Still, they are not thinking about their identity. They are not thinking why all these are happening to me. What I had done that frequently worry is creating tension as grief. Until human didn't recognize himself, these worries will not leave him. Bapuji is saying, look, today souls became extroverted due to negative qualities. Humans were suffering with 5 evils. Lust, wrath, greed, ego and attachment are overflowing. Anant Bhaiya is asking, still why human doesn't want to correct himself? Bapuji is explaining, because he didn't have knowledge to correct himself. There is lack of knowledge. That which type of punishment do he get for his karmas? They are unaware of theory of karma. Though they know it, they didn't had enough power to rectify or to change themselves. Even humans were unable to leave smoking and drinking. To give up all these negatives, soul needs knowledge. What was said in Gita? The best thing is knowledge. What was said in Gita? Know about me. Be in soul conscious and remember Supreme Soul. I will destroy all your sins and at last I will take you to Supreme Abode. This is the only way. Gita is called Sarvasastra Siromani. What did Supreme Soul told in Gita? Those who are unaware of me are animals. Today humans are leading their life like animals, eating, drinking and sleeping. You know the situation of earth, no need to say. To avoid worry, listen to Gita's knowledge and stay in soul conscious. Everything was already recorded in the soul, from where you have came to earth. Who are you? Do you came from galaxy or universe or multiverse? Anant Bhaiya is saying, it means until human didn't recognize himself, his worries doesn't go away. May they are in search of happiness in these gross things. That happiness will disappear within seconds when these materials were destroyed. There is always a limit for materialism. Bapuji is saying, Until mind got stuck in materialism, till then there will be worry in mind. Where you have to engage your mind? On Supreme Soul. Anantbhai is saying, we have to give a direction to it. We have to focus. Give some focus to your mind that if you want to think anything, think only this. Like if you want to think about Param Shanti or stay in thoughtless stage. Bapuji is replying, thoughtless stage doesn't happen at all. One should focus one's mind on something. If not, mind will wanders. Think about incorporeal Almighty in utmost supreme abode. God is light. Remember Supreme Soul in Brahma Swarup. Incorporeal form. You can't recognize his gross form. That's why engage your intellect with Supreme Soul. Manmana Bhav. What did Supreme Soul mention in his Gita? Give your mind to me. Give your mind to Supreme Soul. If you gave your mind to Supreme Soul, whatever the sins are there in your mind will goes to him. Then why do you feel worry? As Manmana Bhav said in Gita, know yourself that you are a soul. You are not a body. Body is your instrument. Become soul conscious and remember Supreme Soul. Then all your sins will get diluted. Then why do you feel worry? Give everything to God. Why you are keeping everything with you? Tell that Almighty is my great-great-grandfather and I surrendered to you. In Gita it was said, Sarvadharma Paritadye Mamekam Sharanam Mama. That means, abandon all varieties of dharmas and simply surrender unto me. There is no need of surrenderance. Just remember Almighty as your great-great-grandfather. First know yourself and then Supreme Soul. Until you didn't recognize yourself, you can't recognize Supreme Soul. Give your sins to Supreme Soul. Why you are putting it on your head? Anantbhai is saying, Thank you, Bapuji. You told us a great solution. Thank you very much, Bapuji. Param Shanti.